In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A34 and today I would like to show you how you can use one-handed mode on this Samsung. First of all, you need to open Devices Settings. In them, scroll all the way down and tap on Advanced Features. Now click on one-handed mode and tap on this switcher at the top to activate it. Finally, scroll down and tap on one of those options to reduce display size with gesture or a button. I will go with button, so in order to set it up, I need to click on it, and then to use one-handed mode, follow all of the instructions below it. Double tap the home button. So when I do that, as you can see, one-handed mode is on. In order to move it around, hold this line at the top and drag it. You can also change placement of it by tapping on this icon on one of its sides. And in order to go back, select blurry area. To disable one-handed mode completely though, click on the same switcher at the top again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!